Are you looking for a home in a well-established neighborhood with top-notch schools, close to shopping and entertainment? Look no further. 708 St. Robbie in Mansfield, Texas is the perfect home for you. I am Carly Howard with the Rafter Realty Group. Let's go take a look. This updated, well-maintained home has an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, office, dining room, and a 2-car garage. The kitchen boasts white cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a kitchen island. You're gonna love the back patio that's covered and has a built-in grill. You do not want to miss this incredible opportunity to own 708 St. Robbie.